Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation back in Columbus, Ohio with my Lamborghini Huracán 610-4 that was recently supercharged by VF Engineering. Now, in today's video, there are some other YouTubers that came all the way over to the United States from England, and it was Paul Wallace from Supercars of London and Seb Dellaney.
But now, myself and Seb are going to jump into that car. We're going to do the exact same run, but then on the way back to VF Engineering, both of these cars are going to be on the road at the same time.
But they were actually out in California visiting VF Engineering, and they actually asked if they could drive my supercharged Lamborghini Huracán right after Nick from VF Engineering got it finished. So in this video, we compare the Lamborghini Huracán with the supercharger on it versus the Lamborghini Huracán Performante, the VF Engineering tuned Performante, so that you can see which one is faster.
You remind me of someone, but I'm not going to mention who it is. The guy who introduces his, welcome to my garage. Knowledge!
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
You're watching Will Motivation. Here is where we create, educate, and motivate. Welcome to Will Motivation.
Now, before we get into the video, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. My name is Will Motivation. I like to do videos about cars, exotic cars, Lamborghinis. I have behind me a Lamborghini Huracan as well as my 08 Lamborghini Gallardo. If you're looking for more of my real estate content, I decided to split my channel up into two. So we've got Will Motivation, which is going to focus on the cars and the motivational videos related to the cars. And I started a new channel for dropping real estate knowledge. So in case you don't know, I am also a real estate investor. So I started investing in real estate in 2010. And once the real estate investments that I had started doing well, that's when I actually decided it was safe to buy a Lamborghini Huracan. I started with the Lamborghini Gallardo, then I got a Lamborghini 580-2, then I got this 610-4, and then because I was in love with the Gallardo, I picked up another Gallardo, but it's all because I started investing in real estate. All right, so enough of that. Why don't you guys go ahead and enjoy this video of my Lamborghini Huracan 610-4 with the supercharger versus the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Check it out.
I need to borrow your car right quick. You want to borrow my car? Hell no!
And then this is the supercharged Huracan we're going to be taking out today.
Oh, I'm in trouble today. First time I drove a supercharged Huracan was probably the first time that I've actually ever been addicted to a car.
You wanted to buy one?
I've wanted to buy one.
Right, yeah, you're in trouble then.
Do you know what I love actually about this wrap is the wrapped roof that hasn't gone over the A-pillar.
Yeah, I see what you mean. It's just on the top middle bit of the roof.
Yeah,
but the red calipers bring it all to life, I think. Paul is going to be at the wheel of this supercharged LP610 Huracan, while we get followed by the Performante behind. First things first, we're going to see what it's like to be in a supercharged Huracan and my reaction. So I'm excited, a bit nervous. I don't know what to expect, but we'll see. Go on, son. Can I press the button?
Yeah.
Foot on the brake?
My foot's on the brake.
Here we go. Oh, it sounds good, doesn't it?
Parker has done like 30,000 miles on his supercharged V10. They are bulletproof engines, bulletproof gearboxes. I'm trying to keep the speed in moderation. I'm not wearing the best shoes for driving. I'm not wearing racing shoes.
Oh, you forgot your racing shoes, did you?
Oh yeah.
Oh no, oh shucks. Here we go. Oh my god! What is that?
It's an absolute missile.
This is crazy! And it's instant! It's just bang! Jesus! It's insane!
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Just snaps your head back, doesn't it? such a brutal, it's so much feeling, I don't know. That makes so already. This is Nick from VF Engineering, who's very kindly going to do a launch control for us in this car, so this is going to be fairly brutal. Is Paul ready? Okay, I think Paul's ready. Oh my god, that is insane.
It's mental.
Yeah, I mean, how it can also manage to put the power down, I don't understand. I mean,
That was like a 4-wheel launch burnout.
it was literally a 4-wheel burnout.
Yeah.
But I mean, with the amount of power it has, this is, it is an animal, this car, an absolute animal.
But now, myself and Seb are going to jump into that car. We're going to do the exact same run, but then on the way back to VF Engineering, both of these cars are going to be on the road at the same time. And what is to stop us than saying that we might do a few drag races? Oh, I feel like I've got something attached to the engine immediately. So we are in a stock Performante with the VF Engineering tune, which adds about 15 brake horsepower to it, quicker throttle responses, and everything just feels a little bit crisper. Nick is in the 800 brake horsepower supercharged Huracán, and we're going to get down to 3rd gear and then just go. And I'm going to take his lead because he knows the roads, he knows how this all works, and he knows where it's possible basically. So we're just taking advantage of the fact that we have got our own supercar tour guide taking us to the correct roads to be doing this on.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
What's your prediction?
My prediction is that even though we might be in the slightly lighter car, that power is just going to pull itself away from us. Bring on the race.
Ultimate Huracán race.
Yeah, the 200 grand Huracán race. I mean, this feels like a completely different world. It's deserted yet green. Let's see what happens.
I'm quite nervous about this.
Oh, I am nervous. What?
Bye, Felicia.
Off he goes!
Look at it go!
He's gone. He's gone.
Bye, Felicia.
And this just feels so much less brutal as well.
Yeah, like when we were driving this car first, I was like, this is insanely fast.
Yeah.
But then driving that, and now going head to head with it. I give up. There's nothing that I can do. I got a good start there.
Yeah, it's just quicker. In a straight line, it is just quicker.
My God.
What an experience.
Truly have created a monster. Truly have created a monster.
All right, so we got Knowledge 2.0. We might need a new name now. The Beast. This is the VF Engineering car right here, which is sick, of course. And then you know they're gonna supercharge that. There goes DDE back in the back right there. So if you're looking for that real estate content, don't worry, I'm still dropping lots of video content on real estate investing. You just have to go to my new channel and subscribe. So if you want to, just scroll down into the description of this video and just pause this video, click on the link to my new channel. It's called Real Estate 101, and go subscribe to that new channel, and then you'll start to be able to receive the content that I'm doing related to my real estate investments, and basically giving you guys free knowledge on how to start investing in real estate. Now, if you are ready to start investing and you're serious, I also started an online course, and you can actually go ahead and enroll in my online course, because actually I wasn't thinking about doing a course until I started doing YouTube. And a lot of you guys said, hey Will, why don't you do an online course? So I took 2018, all my free time in 2018, and I put together a pretty awesome online real estate course that's very thorough, teaching you guys how to do investment properties for rentals and to do flips. So if you want to enroll in my online course, it is ready, and I'm giving you guys a discount if you follow me on YouTube. So there's a link in the description to the online course with a discount. The regular price is $495 and it's discounted to $297, 40% off essentially. So you just basically click on that link and it'll automatically give you a discount, and you can start taking my online course. And I've actually got some subscribers that have already started taking the course. They've been asking questions. I've been answering the questions. You can see all of those questions that are asked when you're taking the course. And if you have questions, you can ask those questions while you're taking the course. The course is done in video. I did it right here. And I also do it in the field. So I take you guys on field trips and show you my different projects and what I'm doing. And I open up the books. So I show you all my real estate investments, how much money they made, how much money they still make to this day, so that you guys can basically know the real deal. All right? So check that out if you want to. It's in the description. You're not obligated. If you want that free knowledge, I get into a good level of detail on how to invest in my other channel. It's called Real Estate 101. Link in the description. Yo, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is Will Motivation. Don't forget to hit that like for me and subscribe to my channel if you want more cool video content with the supercars. I got the Lamborghini Huracán. I got the Hellcat. I still got to do a bunch of videos with, and the Audi S3. I got to do a bunch of videos with. Just hit subscribe, hit the like button if you've already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, if you want that real estate knowledge and that real estate content, link is in the description to my new channel with that free real estate content, or you can take my online course. Both of those links in the description. Love you guys, appreciate you guys for watching. I almost forgot. Yo, I really like doing YouTube. It's a hobby of mine. I'm going to ask you guys to do me a favor. The way you can pay me back for doing these videos, if you enjoy the videos, is click like and drop a comment, man. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, and I'll do the video. Simple as that. But I would really love the comments. Drop me a comment. Say what's up. Say whatever you want. Tell me what kind of videos to do. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Whatever. Just drop me a comment. Peace. Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.